Hi, today I'm going to show you how to add a brand to OpenStreetMap. And what I mean by this is something pretty specific, and that is if you, let's say, add a point and you know this is a Warby Parker, and whoops, you type in Warby Parker, this brand comes up, you can click on it, and it's pre-filled with some of these things. Now, that's a really nice thing. It helps create some uniformity across OpenStreetMap and makes it easier for beginners to add things. So what do you do if your brand is missing? So the first thing you need to do is go to nsi.guide. That is the name of this brand. Well, it's called the Name Suggestion Index. This is where this configuration about the brands lives. So if you type in Warby Parker, you click Shop Optician, and here you can see this is the information it adds. This is some information it's pulling from Wikidata, another source. And over here you can see it's included in Canada and the US. So if you're searching in another place and it's not coming up, that may be why. So how do you add a new place? Well, first you have to go to the Name Suggestion Index GitHub repo, and I recommend going here to contributing.markdown. That's always a great place to start, and read this. It might change since when I make this, but right now there's two requirements. First is that it is notable, and if you click on here, it says notability means at least 30 locations. Generally, in some situations, they may let it be lower, but I'm not sure. And in all cases, you must have a Wikidata page. And those are the two requirements. If you're a developer, you can follow these steps, add the config exactly as you want. But for everyone else, it's as easy as submitting a new issue on GitHub, which of course you will need a new account. You will need an account for. So this is the issue draft that I've been working on before. What I might do, say Warby Parker, add brand, and what you need to do, search Warby Parker, and if that's a Wikipedia article, it's a good tip. It might be able to be added to the Name Suggestion Index, and here it tells us there are 237 stores. Great. And so, it's always nice. Add the Wikipedia article, make it a little simple for the editors to verify some information. If it didn't say how many stores there are, I would search for it. Next, go over to wikidata.org and search for your brand. Here comes up pretty quick, Warby Parker eyeglasses brand, and I would copy that over. If it doesn't exist, you can also go over here. You'll also need an account. This is the link to Wikipedia and all those things. So if you have an account there, you can use the same one. Hit create an item, and you can add some basic stuff. We're not going to go through that. It seems unlikely, and if you ask nicely in the issue if there's enough locations, I'm sure folks will be happy to help you out. And then you just click Submit New Issue. And, well, that's about it for what you have to do. And what happens next? Let's see if we go to Closed Issues, a recent one. Someone suggested adding this brand Turno. And, that was 5 days ago. 5 days ago, within a day, someone reviewed it and added in a change. And how long does this take before it is available to everyone? Well, it depends on your editor. Here there's a short list of editors, something like it. I think it takes several weeks, maybe a month or so before a new release comes out with those updates. It could be faster, don't quote me on that. Everydoor and Street Complete, they also are going to have their own cycles in which they incorporate these things. So that's how you do it. It's pretty straightforward once you know where to look, which is not always so easy. Again, this is a thing built for OpenStreetMaps. It is not OpenStreetMaps per se. It is community run and used by many projects. So I hope this helps you out, and happy editing for OpenStreetMaps.